Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. So let's just jump right into the video. Today we're going to be making a beach skirt cover up. All I'm doing is I'm going to measure myself from the waist area. Your waist can be a lower waist or upper waist depending on where you want your skirt to start from until where you want it to stop. For the next step, we're going to go ahead and fold our fabric into two. Then put any skirt that you want on top of it. That is going to help you to trace it out. I'm not leaving any seam allowance because I'm not going to sew this one in the sides, so it should be like just perfect. For the next step, I'm going to cut a long string. There are no specific measurements for this. You can just do what you want. It's going to be 4 centimeters wide. You can as well just make it the way you want it to be for the width. And after cutting my wide string, I'm going to go ahead and attach it to the waist area of my skirt. It's going to act as a waistband and it's going to be the one that will tie at the end. Yes, so I'm going to pin it up on the skirt and then sew along. You're going to be seeing this in the video. So that is it that we have to do. Then we are perfectly done. For now, I'm just going to be sewing on the machine, and if you want to see the finished product, please keep watching until the end of this video. That's it. And that is it for you guys for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified every time I post a video. I do post a new video every Monday and Wednesday. Monday for the random videos, Wednesday for the DIY. So till next Monday, mwah, love you so much guys. Bye.